Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve messenger emoji. To know how to fix or how to solve messenger emoji, you should just go to settings. Then this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list we'll search about the application of messenger. Then this list of app info, you will click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can make errors on your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.